Good morning, friends. It's Tuesday, November 15th. What a beautiful day. And I'm looking at the CNBC morning news, and there's an interesting article. Hi, I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And I noticed two interesting articles that were directly in opposition to each other in today's morning news. And this one here, Charlie Munger says crypto is bad combo of fraud and delusion, which I happen to agree with. And then down here, Kathy Wood's ARK Investments keeps buying more crypto assets. I'm favoring Charlie Munger. Charlie and Warren Buffett have amassed a pretty impressive track record, and they invest in value. As far as crypto, frankly, friends, I don't even understand crypto, so maybe you wouldn't even want to listen to me about it. But still in all, I do understand Kathy Wood Johnson's ARK Investment Fund, and I do know Charlie Munger and his combination of purchasing value stocks and Warren guiding him. I believe these guys. So you take your pick. Anyway, moving over to the S&P E-mini. And this is the chart, the one-day chart of the S&P, not the E-mini, but the S&P. And I did a video a couple of days ago showing the possible trajectory of where the S&P is going to end up for the year. And I noted that the market wants to go up. Of course, it's window dressing season, but still in all, there was a noted issue down here, right down here. You see this at 38.10? You see this window that opened on Thursday, November 10th? Well, that window is open, and as you know, windows always close. So we are up here this morning. We closed at 39.61, and it's a long way down to 38.10. So I'm it's hard to believe that this window is going to close anytime soon. Eventually it will, but nevertheless, that window remains open. It's a worrying thing. Why did the market drop yesterday? Well, but by the way, speaking of windows, this is my chart today, Tuesday, November 15th. Here's my trading zone, and I'm going to show it to you even though you didn't pay for my subscription. It's 39.92 at support and 40.51 at resistance. And look, the market shot up pre-market. Prices shot up to the top of my trading zone, my resistance level, and now they're fading back. But talking about gap trades, look at the gap that existed from yesterday. Yesterday, the market closed at 39.67. We're about a half an hour before the market is set to open. The market is trading way up here at 40.34. So it's about a 70-point drop down to yesterday's close if this gap does indeed persist up until for the next half hour, up until trading. I'm going to get this video up on YouTube. But nevertheless, this is my trading zone for today. And as I noted to my trading zone subscribers in my report yesterday, the fact that the market declined as it did end of day in this time and price trade, you see this time and price trade here? Here's the first leg, here's consolidation, here's the second leg. Okay, so that was the time and price trade yesterday. If you've taken my course, you know this is one of the 6 trade setups that I teach. Nevertheless, and also the support and resistance, you saw that. But nevertheless, we will see what happens today. Very interesting day. The market declined for whatever reason. I have no idea. There was nothing to indicate it should decline. And today it shot up pre-market. Pre-market news, something happened that made it shoot up. I didn't pay attention to the morning news because I was more keyed to the market price here compared to where it closed yesterday. And these gaps typically fill, unless they are very significant, very wide gaps, as you saw on November 10th. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. If you would like some tips on how to trade and how to avoid the pitfalls and mistakes that newbies and novices make, take my free course, free, absolutely free, at timelessdollar.com to teach you how to avoid the traps, pitfalls, and head fakes that cause trading losses, trading mistakes. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely. Have a great Tuesday. This is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.